Greetings, folks. It's Sarah. Today I am still out on Lake Ponderay with 12 of my favorite cook stoves, and I am lighting them up from like cold. It's like cold out. Yeah, the stoves have been sitting outside for 4 days, and we have a pretty short flue stack, so there will be a little bit of smoke, but honestly, given our conditions, we have very minimal smoke. I was shooting a commercial over the last few days, and we had all 12 of these stoves burning with such a small outprint of smoke. Like, seriously, hardly any smoke coming out of 12 stoves all burning at the same time. We had neighbors, coming by just to check out the stoves and saying how cool it was. Nobody was upset with the stoves burning or like too much smoke or anything like that. So that is like super cool. But I just want to mention that because I know a lot of people do have environmental concerns about burning wood. But the thing is like if you are burning good, dry, seasoned wood, it shouldn't be a problem. Even in tough conditions like a freezing cold stove with a really short flue stack. I love J.A. Roby products because they are some of the best and easiest stoves to light, absolutely. And especially out here in the cold, it takes off so nice, as you can see. Thumbs up for J.A. Roby. They really nail it on their Firebox. They have a very nice wood-burning Firebox, clean burning glass, easy to light. Yeah, excellent. If you're new with cook stoves or wood-burning products and you want something that's super easy to light, definitely recommend the J.A. Roby. All right, and that's it. We're going. I hope that you guys do enjoy these videos. If they're helpful, informational, and educational for you, please don't forget to give me that thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thanks so much for watching. God bless. Have a wonderful day.